Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore one of Telegram's latest updates that gives you more control over how your messages are shared. If you've ever noticed people forwarding your messages on Telegram without the link to your account and wanted everyone to be able to include that link, this update makes it simple. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this by going to your browser and logging into your Telegram account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines. This is the main menu. Click on those. Now, choose Settings from the list that appears. This is where you can adjust all your account preferences. From here, go into Privacy and Security. It's the section where Telegram stores all your privacy options, including who can message you, see your phone number, or forward your messages. Scroll down until you find a setting that says, "Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message?" This is the new feature that Telegram recently added. By default, it might be set to My Contacts or Nobody. But if you want everyone to be able to include your link whenever they forward one of your messages, you'll need to change this option. Click on that setting, and you'll see a few choices appear. Select Everybody. Once you've done that, Telegram will automatically save your preference. From now on, anyone who forwards your messages from any chat will include a clickable link to your account at the top of the forwarded message.